Hey everyone, it's Kim, and it's time to do the drawing for the prizes for the Pocket Challenge. But first of all, I just want to say thank you so much to everyone who entered and supported my challenge. It was very, very much appreciated, and I know that some of you guys, this was your very first challenge, and I just want to say the talent in our community is just absolutely incredible. You're all amazing people, and I'm keeping all your names and addresses and info because I do like to send out happy mail. So, if you don't win today, then maybe later in the year I can send you a little something, which I would love to do. So what I've done is I've written everybody's name on the sheet here, and it's actually both sides. And I've assigned you a number according to when I received your entry. So as you can see at the top here, Mars from Michigan is the first one, which is Marlene, because I got her first, then Jeannie Dreamer and Bonnie and Debbie and so on, and you can see there's a number beside everybody's name. And then what I've done is I have put those numbers on a little piece of paper here, and when I draw the number, I'll just look up your name, and that's how I'm going to choose the winner. I just thought that would be a nice, easy way to do it. So I'm excited about this, and I'm excited to see who's going to be the winners. So here we go. Let's mix these up and try and get our winner here. Who will it be? Who will it be? Okay, so the first one I'm going to draw for is the fabric book. So that'll be the first one that I draw. So I'm just going to take this one right here. And you can see I have nothing in my hands. And the first number for the fabric book is number 21. Oops, let me see here. 21. And on my sheet here, you can see everybody's names. So 21. Oh, it's Carla! KC Creates, number 21, right there. Carla, congratulations. You have won the fabric book that I made. So super excited about that. So I'm just going to set that aside. What did I do with my pen? Because, of course, I'm not ready. So let me just write Carla on here, if I can get my pen to work. Of course not. Well, I'll write it afterwards. But anyway, Carla, you've won the fabric book. I'm really excited about that. That's so cool. Okay, so let's do for the fairy junk journal now. I'm very excited about this one as well. So let's see, who will it be? Who will it be? Let's just make sure they're all mixed really, really well. You can see they're all mixed, and of course at the end I will show you that it's got all the different numbers and things on it, so there's nothing untoward happening. Okay, shall we do it? Let's do it. Right in the middle there. This is for the Fairy Junk Journal, and it's number 30. So let's see who number 30 is. Oh, Carol, Mademoiselle Asphodel. Carol, you won. There's number 30, and Carol is number 30 right here at the bottom, as you can see. So, Carol, you have won the Fairy Junk Journal. And Carla, you have won the fabric book. Yay! So excited. So let me just share with you, those are the two winners, Carla and Carol. And you can see I've got all the other numbers here. There's number 12. And I can't see these, so number 17. You can see, what's this one? Fingers don't work this morning. Number 13. Number 1. Number 10. So you can see I've got all the numbers in here for everybody, so there was nothing, you know, funky. But I'm very excited, you guys, and I'm going to keep this list, and I've got all your information, everybody. So I want to thank you so much for all your kindness and your incredible talent. So to everybody that's on my list here and the people on the back, Jeanette, Lacey, Beatty, Marlene, Jeannie, Bonnie, Debbie, Laquetta, Belinda, Sophie, Suzanne, Lynn, Karen, Tamara, Jacqueline, Antoinette, Crystal, Eva, Irene, Nola, Jane, Donna, Avril, Carla, Debbie, Siobhan, Kateri, Edwina, Annie, Christy, Janine, Olivia, and Carol. Thank you all so very, very much. It meant the world to me that you guys joined in my challenge, so thank you so much. And Carla and Carol, contact me, and I'm going to be adding a few extra goodies to your package as well, which will be a little bit of a surprise. But contact me after you see this video, and we'll talk about stuff. And yeah, so thank you all very much. It was a wonderful challenge, and I will be doing another one again in the future. Don't know when, but, you know, later on down the road. But thank you all so much. Really, from the bottom of my heart, it just means so much. So thank you. And I will be back with another video soon, guys. Take care. Bye for now.